Set across the Black Sea in Russia is Sochi, a rather unexplored city by the Indian tourists. LinkedIn reps, the PR marketing and media representative of Sochi Tourism, along with Dolores Travel Group, organized a destination presentation in New Delhi for the Indian travel fraternity. In an exclusive interview with MIG TV, Amit Mathur, the representative of Dolores Group in India, and Komal Seth, the director and founder of LinkedIn Reps, tell more about the specificities of the destination.
There are a couple of unique things about Sochi, and one of the unique points that this place offers is that it's not just about beaches, it is also about the snow, So you have beaches, there are a lot of activities, which are beach related. Some of the best beaches that you have there because it's at the sea level. But the uniqueness of Sochi is that 45 minutes from beach, you also have snow, So if you go there, you'll realize that these are some of the most beautiful beaches. The water is blue and it's really nice. With the kind of weather this place offers, there are activities, if you see, which you can do in Sochi. I know a lot of other places, but Sochi is like that hidden gem, like I said, which is probably not known to people. We know Moscow and St. Petersburg. Sochi has things like the Sky Bridge. Now, Sky Bridge is the world's tallest and the longest sky bridge, in the world. It has things like bungee jumping, which is a 207-meter jump. It has something called a Megatroll, which I've personally experienced, and it's one of the most thrilling activities I've done. It's like a free drop of 700 meters that you go down, and right under you is the nice river. You have a highway going under you. You see people bungee jumping. There is something called as a sky swing. So you would have heard of things like a bungee jump, but there's something called as a sky swing where you are at almost 1 kilometer height, and you are just you just jump and you swing. So there's sky swing, Megatroll. They have the 207-meter bungee jump. I've heard of bungee jumps of 120 meters probably, but it's thrilling to do a 207-meter bungee jump, And then the Sky Bridge by itself, because it's the tallest and the longest in the world. So there's a lot of adventure that is on offer. Russia is known for its nightlife. There are places, where you've got very good nightclubs. Now, like I said, that Sochi generally has a population of about 5.5 lakh, but there are a lot of tourist inflows into Sochi. There are a lot of people who are coming into Sochi, not only from Russia, but from other parts of the world, because it's known as the resort town of Russia. It's known as the summer capital. Which brings me to the point that the nightclubs there are quality nightclubs, and probably every kind of nightlife you can experience in Sochi, which people associate with Russia, and these are some of the nightclubs that I visited were good quality nightclubs, So for incentive groups, all I can say is that they will surely be very happy and not disappointed when they go, because I've realized that a lot of people going there, want to experience the nightlife, especially when we are talking of incentive groups. So I think these people would surely not be disappointed. A lot of MICE agents have been asking for unique destinations. We realize that Sochi has that uniqueness. Sochi offers, like I said again, I'm saying it offers snow activities, it offers beaches. So MICE is going to be one focus area. I realize that it is a very good destination for weddings, because it has large hotels which can take anywhere between 400-500 people also. So there's a lot of offer. It is a fabulous destination which I have not yet really explored far too much for Bollywood shoots, because the place is picturesque, So there are a lot of things, like some of them you only pointed out in our conversation some time back, that can be done in Sochi. MICE, as I see, what MICE expects is Indian food, good nightlife. They should have excursions. They should have shopping, right? And a place where they can, hotels which can accommodate about 500, 600 people maybe. for a conference. Sochi offers all of them. We don't have problem when it comes to Indian food. So I will not say that the food was fantastic, but they were able to serve us good Indian food. You can have chefs because there is, like I said, it is one of the largest casinos in the world, and that casino has Indian food. It has Indian chefs, so food will be well taken care of. So I think this is what I would want to tell and communicate to people here, that trust me, it's a fantastic destination for MICE groups, because it is offering, I think all the boxes are ticked. Sochi does not have a direct flight. We have to, from Delhi you have Aeroflot, which takes you into Moscow, and then you can take a flight, so your baggage can be through checked in. So it's a one-stop flight via Moscow on Aeroflot. From Bombay you have a direct flight also from Dubai, so you have Fly Dubai, which flies from Dubai to Sochi.
Sochi has many 5-star hotels. The very well-known brands, the premium 5-star brands are also present in Sochi. Sochi as a destination is classy. Like I said, there is very niche nightlife. There are brilliant castles and a lot to do for every kind of tourist. If you ask me about luxury, you can match it to any European country. I think the USP of Sochi is it's a MICE destination in Russia. Russia is a very sought after destination from India, and the biggest USP more than MICE is, while it is a destination in Russia, this will be really cheap. The packages are very economical, value for money, and you see class while you travel in a shoestring budget.